Something unusual happened this week at Tesla's Giga Texas factory. Production of both the Model Y and the Cybertruck reportedly came to a complete stop. Interestingly, there have been no announcements of supply shortages or labor strikes, which has many people thinking the pause was intentional. Observers have noticed construction activity on the north side of the facility, along with signs of a potential reconfiguration of the assembly lines. This could be a major hint that Tesla is preparing for the launch of an entirely new vehicle, possibly the long-rumored 2026 Tesla Model 2. This compact EV has always been part of Tesla's long-term roadmap. The company still plans to roll out new models this year, and what's coming isn't just a leap in car design, it's a breakthrough in how cars are built. With a starting price of just $10,179, the Model 2 is expected to be Tesla's most affordable electric vehicle yet. Could this sudden production halt be Tesla making room for its most disruptive product to date? And could a small, budget-friendly EV end up being the most significant car in Tesla's history? If the rumors are true, what we're witnessing might not be just a pause, but the quiet beginning of something huge. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Theories and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Now, one big question remains. How did Elon Musk manage to nearly cut the price in half without sacrificing quality? Recent leaked photos near Tesla's Fremont facility show a heavily camouflaged vehicle draped in black fabric. Despite the attempt to disguise it, its compact size stood out. It appeared noticeably shorter than the Model Y and Model 3, with a more sloped front and a smaller gap between the front axle and the front door. Just 0.8 meters on the Model 2 versus 1.22 meters on the Model 3. That may seem like a small difference, but it reflects a major shift in vehicle design. It suggests a tighter, more space-efficient platform aimed at reducing material use, production waste, and complexity. Beneath its sleek exterior lies the real innovation: Tesla's next-generation unibody gigacasting system. Instead of welding together dozens of metal parts to form the car's frame, Tesla now casts the front and rear underbodies as single aluminum pieces. While the Model 3 chassis includes over 70 structural parts, the Model 2 is expected to need fewer than 38. That's a 47% reduction in part count. Fewer parts mean fewer welds, fewer machines, and less chance for manufacturing defects. This simplified process not only boosts reliability, but also slashes both labor and equipment costs. Tesla estimates that assembly time per vehicle has been reduced by about 63%. For comparison, traditional automakers like Nissan and Chevrolet take 25 to 30 hours to assemble a compact EV, while Tesla aims to finish the Model 2 in just 11 hours. This level of efficiency results in more than 30% lower labor costs per unit and a dramatic increase in production capacity. It's a crucial reason why Tesla can offer the Model 2 for just over $10,000 and still remain profitable. But that's not all. Tesla's also making strides in energy efficiency. Model 2 is expected to consume just 109 watt-hours per kilometer. For context, many EVs in its class, such as the Nissan Leaf and Chevy Bolt, typically use between 145 and 160 watt-hours per kilometer in real-world conditions. This means Tesla can match or even exceed the range of its competitors while using a smaller, more affordable battery pack, further cutting costs. To put things into perspective, the Chevrolet Bolt EUV starts around $27,000 and offers an EPA-rated 259 miles of range using a 65 kilowatt-hour battery with nearly 10,000 individual parts. In contrast, the 2026 Tesla Model 2 is expected to start at just $10,179 and deliver between 295 to 315 miles of range in its base version, with an optional upgrade pushing that to around 350 miles. Tesla's goal is to assemble this vehicle with fewer than 5,500 parts, effectively cutting production complexity in half. Will other automakers adopt Tesla's rapid 11-hour vehicle assembly method? If you think this could become the new industry standard, let us know in the comments. Now, let's look at an unexpected feature that gives the Model 2 a serious edge in city driving: its 0.6 meter wide rear hatch. At first glance, that might seem small, but it's been carefully engineered to maximize cargo capacity. Despite its narrow opening, the Model 2 delivers 400 liters of usable storage space. To put that in perspective, it offers more cargo volume than several well-known city EVs. The MG4 has 363 liters, the Fiat 500e offers 185 liters, and the Mini SE provides just 211 liters. Tesla's smart design proves that a compact rear hatch doesn't mean sacrificing practicality. In fact, it's a perfect example of how smart engineering can outperform sheer size. In everyday use, this clever design brings real advantages. Tesla drivers have a 96% success rate when parallel parking in tight urban spots, 22% higher than the average success rate of 74% for other compact EVs. That means fewer parking headaches and an easier time navigating crowded city streets. The Model 2 also helps reduce parking-related damage. Thanks to its narrower doors and ultra-thin, high-strength door panels, Tesla owners experience 83% fewer door dings in tight lots. With less risk of scratches and dents from neighboring vehicles, repair costs go down, and the car stays looking newer for longer. Another thoughtful benefit comes in underground parking garages, where space is often extremely limited. Tesla's narrower rear door makes loading and unloading cargo 22.7% easier in these tight spots. This design simplifies access without the risk of damaging the vehicle or surrounding walls. Tesla achieved all this through advanced engineering. The door panels are made with ultra-thin, SpaceX-grade high-strength steel that's 18% thinner than traditional automotive materials. This allows the doors to remain both durable and slim, saving valuable space without compromising safety. Tesla also developed compact hinge mechanisms that require less space while still allowing the doors to open fully. This minimizes the swing radius, which is ideal for cramped parking environments. On top of that, the rear seats fold flat with a single motion, quickly transforming the rear area into a larger, flat load space that can easily accommodate bulkier items. So, while the 0.6-meter rear hatch may seem small, it's actually a major win for city drivers. It makes parking easier, cargo handling smoother, and urban driving far less stressful, all while preserving the flexibility modern drivers need. Now let's explore another game-changing feature: why the Model 2 is quickly becoming a dream car for underserved rural communities across America. Tesla's Model 2 will include built-in Starlink satellite internet, completely free. Normally, this service costs $99 per month, plus an upfront hardware fee of about $499. But in the Model 2, it's fully integrated at no extra cost. This isn't just a cool tech feature, it's a lifeline. More than 26 million Americans living in rural areas still lack access to reliable high-speed internet. That digital gap creates serious challenges in education, healthcare, employment, and daily communication. By building Starlink directly into the Model 2, Tesla turns the car into a mobile high-speed internet hub. It brings connectivity to places where traditional broadband is unavailable or unreliable. For remote workers, like single parents juggling childcare and jobs, this means they can stay connected on the road, participate in video calls, share files, and work from virtually anywhere. It also opens up huge opportunities for rural students. With the Model 2, they gain access to online classes, digital textbooks, and homework tools that were previously out of reach. The car becomes more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile learning center and a communication gateway for people living in areas long overlooked by traditional infrastructure. The Tesla Model 2 is more than just a compact electric car. It also serves as a mobile telemedicine platform. For veterans, individuals with disabilities, or anyone who lives far from medical centers or has difficulty traveling, this vehicle offers high-quality video consultations, remote health monitoring, and access to medical resources, all without leaving their community. This approach has the potential to dramatically improve health outcomes while significantly reducing the need for travel. To make managing work, education, and health easier, all of these features are seamlessly integrated into a 15.7-inch Starlink-connected touchscreen built directly into the Model 2. What truly sets this EV apart is how it combines essential digital infrastructure with an affordable electric vehicle priced under $11,000. This kind of offering is completely unprecedented in the automotive world. No other automaker currently includes high-speed satellite internet as a standard feature. Tesla is not only leading the charge in sustainable transportation, but is also breaking new ground in digital accessibility, particularly for underserved communities. In addition to connectivity, the Model 2 includes Tesla's proprietary Tesla OS Health Suite. Built into each seat, this suite supports advanced health monitoring, including continuous heart rate and blood pressure tracking. This data can be viewed directly through the vehicle's interface or securely shared with caregivers and family members. In emergencies, the system can automatically send alerts to ensure timely assistance. An integrated AI assistant further enhances safety and care. It provides real-time health notifications and reminders, like when to take medication or if it detects concerning health patterns, and can even make emergency calls if the driver is unresponsive. Tesla has also designed the system with accessibility in mind. One-tap navigation and a voice-activated interface make it intuitive and easy for older drivers or those less familiar with smartphones and complex tech. With 1 in 6 Americans expected to be 65 or older by 2030, the Model 2 addresses a growing need, helping seniors maintain independence. It empowers older adults to stay connected, mobile, and in control of their daily lives through technology that's built specifically for their needs. For seniors who feel left behind by rapid advances in tech, the Model 2 is a strong message from Tesla. You're still in the driver's seat. Backed by thoughtful, cutting-edge innovation, this car supports a more connected and dignified lifestyle. Do you think Tesla's Model 2, with free Starlink internet and built-in health tools, could be a lifeline for rural families and older adults? If so, comment Model 2 to show your support. This isn't just transportation, it's real, rolling support. Now let's talk about how Tesla plans to mass produce its most affordable EV without sacrificing performance or quality. At the heart of Tesla's strategy is a major innovation: the use of next-generation 4680 Gen 2 battery cells. These advanced batteries are being developed at Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada and are key to unlocking high performance at a lower cost. Compared to earlier battery types, the 4680 Gen 2 cells offer 35 to 50% more energy density. That means Tesla can pack more power into the same amount of space, delivering longer driving ranges without increasing battery size or weight. Beyond performance, these batteries also reduce Tesla's dependence on imported components, especially from China. Given ongoing global tensions and supply chain uncertainties, this shift is both a strategic and economic win. Producing battery components domestically also ensures Tesla meets U.S. federal tax credit criteria, such as those in the proposed Beautiful Bills Act, which could allow Model 2 buyers to claim up to $7,500 in federal incentives. Tesla's production rollout for the Model 2 is being executed in 3 phases, each designed to maximize efficiency, scalability, and cost control. The first phase is centered at the Fremont factory in California, near Tesla's headquarters. Since Tesla took over the facility from a former Toyota-GM joint venture in 2010, the Fremont plant has built over 2 million vehicles, including the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. With the ability to produce up to 600,000 vehicles per year, Tesla's Fremont factory remains one of the most productive EV manufacturing sites in North America. But it's not just about volume. Fremont also brings strategic advantages. Its proximity to Tesla's headquarters means engineers can test design changes in real time and provide immediate feedback during early production phases. The plant's existing, adaptable production lines allow for quick adjustments, making it ideal for fine-tuning the manufacturing process before ramping up to full-scale production. The second phase of Model 2 production shifts to Gigafactory Texas, which is widely recognized as Tesla's most advanced and automated facility. As production transitions from the Cybertruck and Model Y to the Model 2, this shift is expected to significantly boost output while reducing costs through greater automation and efficiency. Gigafactory Texas also benefits from its central location in the US, making it easier and faster to source and distribute parts across the country. This cuts down on both transportation time and logistics costs, giving Tesla a strong supply chain advantage. The third and final stage of the rollout will take place at Gigafactory Mexico. Manufacturing in Mexico offers a major cost benefit, with labor costs approximately 40 to 60% lower than the US average. This allows Tesla to bring the price of the Model 2 down even further, targeting a global launch price between $9,000 and $10,000. Gigafactory Mexico is also strategically positioned near South America and major shipping ports, which enables efficient export routes to international markets. This means lower shipping costs and faster delivery times for global customers. Thanks to this carefully planned, three-stage production strategy, combined with cutting-edge battery technology, Tesla is able to offer the Model 2 with an impressive balance of range, performance, and affordability. It's a massive step toward making electric vehicles accessible to a much broader audience. But the Model 2 isn't just another low-cost EV. It represents a major leap forward in engineering, digital connectivity, and inclusive design. Tesla has created a vehicle that makes clean, sustainable transportation a realistic option for millions, without compromise. With its smart features, built-in internet, health monitoring tools, and next-gen battery tech, the Model 2 is poised to change not just how we drive, but how we live and stay connected. It's a true milestone in making EVs mainstream and available to everyone. If you think the Model 2 is an incredible deal and could truly replace every gas-powered car on the road, don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Theories and hit the notification bell, because the next big reveal might finally uncover what's hiding beneath that black cloth.